Delhi woke up today to marginal relief, but only just. The air quality index dipped slightly, setting at 351, still firmly in the very poor category. And while most parts of the capital saw minor improvement, Wazirpur and Bawana remain in the danger zone with AQI readings soaring above 400, classified as severe. According to Central Pollution Control Board, Sunday saw 11 stations in the severe category. Today, that number dropped to just 2. Which is Wazirpur at 422 and Bawana at 418. And this as per 8 a.m. But this is no clean air comeback. For millions in Delhi, pollution remains well above safe limits. The decision support system shows what's poisoning the air, and that is vehicular emissions contributing 18%, stubble burning 8.2%, and these numbers are expected to remain largely unchanged. Here's a report from my colleague Aparna.
Delhi's air quality continues to remain in very severe category. People of Delhi and NCR has to wake up every day in a thick smog around themselves. I'm here at Akshardham, and if you look around, then the entire area is shrouded in a thick layer of smog, and winter has already kicked in, so it might seem like a fog to viewers, but this is not just a fog, but it's a mixture of toxic pollutants, smog and dust, which has kept an alarming situation for people of Delhi, as breathing in this toxic gas chamber is like a very serious and critical situation for people of Delhi, and prolonged exposure can cause serious respiratory illness. Also, Chief Minister of Delhi has asked regional cooperation and has said that pollution cannot be tackled in isolation, and that's why she has asked other states for regional cooperation. Also, if you look around, then this entire area seems like in a toxic gas chamber, and the Akshardham structure is also not clearly visible. And this situation is like creating a difficult situation for people of Delhi and NCR. If I talk about children, then they are facing difficulty in breathing, and every third children is having some lung issue is what doctors are stating, and they are clearly saying people to leave Delhi for 2 weeks or 3 weeks if possible. Top pulmonologists are advising people to stay indoor as much as possible and wear N95 mask, because that is what can protect people, can protect their lungs and help them avoid any serious respiratory illness. Also, stubble burning is the thing that is causing an increase in the pollution level apart from vehicular emission, and that's why Supreme Court has asked neighboring state to submit a data on what measures are being taken to reduce the effect through stubble burning, especially neighboring states like Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, and also people have been advised to take care of their health as much as possible to avoid the drastic effect of this pollution, which is continuously increasing.